I have here my water level meter. It works with batteries. The way it works, you put there's a measuring tape here, and it's locked. You have to push here to unlock it, and then you can go down all the way to the water level. And it has a sensor here. The sensor works right here on top of this orange tape here. That's where the sensor starts working. So here we have the control board. Turn on the power, and it has the test position. You can test and see if the sensor works. It has low and high sensitivity. You increase the sensitivity and see the sensor works. So it's working. Then if you put it on the LED, when you hit the level of the water, then the LED lights comes on. If you want to use the buzzer instead of LED lights, then you have the buzzer when the sensor detects the water level. So let's test it here and see. Here I have my water. Put the sensor in there. I can dip it in there. When it hits the top of the orange, the sensitivity is way down. It's not going to work. Let's put it halfway. There it goes. You see the water level, it's right there. When it hits the top side here of the orange, that's when the water level is. Now we want to switch to LED light if you don't want to make noise. See, the lights comes on. Now if you want to measure to see how deep the water level is, let's try it here. And as you can see, you can measure, you can see here 4 inches. So it's 4 inches. We line up 4 inches with 4 inches, and you can see that the level is right there on top of the orange. That's where that measures. See, 4 inches lined up there. So let's make a test here. So we're going to lower the push here to let it go. Put it on the buzzer here, so I hear something. And we can measure here. You see it's 11 inches from the water level up to here to the 11 inches and 1/4 to the top of the table. And that's how it works.